TinyBee. The farm animals.
I am a cow, moo moo, giving milk for you and you. I am a chicken, cluck cluck cluck, laying eggs. What luck, what luck. I am a pig, oink 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 oink, rolling in mud, my favorite joint. I am a sheep, ba ba ba, wool so soft, near and far. I am a horse, neigh neigh neigh, gallop and trot, let's run away. I am a goat, bleat bleat bleat, climbing hills, finding treats. I am a duck, quack quack quack, splashing water on my back. I am a turkey, gobble gobble gobble, feathers fluffy, watch me wobble. I am a donkey, ee-haw, carrying loads, standing tall. I am a rabbit, hop hop hop, in the garden I do stop. I am a dog, woof woof woof, guarding the farm, staying aloof. I am a cat, meow meow meow, catching mice, take a bow. I am a bee, buzz buzz buzz, making honey, what a fuzz. I am a peacock, strut strut strut, showing feathers, what a cut. I am a llama, hum hum hum, chewing grass, always calm. I am an alpaca, soft and neat, wolves will find a treat to me too. I am a goose, honk honk honk, waddling around the pond. I honk. We are the animals here on the farm, living together, safe and warm. Day by day in sun and rain, here we stay on the plain. We are the animals here on the farm, living together, safe and warm. Day by day in sun and rain, here we stay on the plain.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.